I'm at $150 for the day, but it's been tough. It's been tough because I've already done 8 passengers. Normally by 8 or 10 passengers, I'm at $200. That means it's a little bit slow. And I turned the app off because I'm in the hood. I'm in like South Central Los Angeles, and this is where you don't pick up people. So I'm gonna go over here, make sure my app Connect is off, Comfort is on, Excel is on. Let's see if anything pops up. But from here, I'm literally gonna head back to LAX. Now that I've made my minimum, I'm gonna go to LAX and take a break. How far is it? Yeah, 9 miles, 19 minutes, no problem. Let me give you a little bit of an update where we are for the day. This is what it looks like. About 5.5 hours active. Wait, 5.5 hours active, 9 hours online. So I've been hustling, and 8 trips. Look at that, 8 trips. 8 trips basically means it's been very, 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 very busy, and it's been a little bit slow. Oh, look at that. No. Not in the hood. Not in the hood, boys. I got nothing against boys in the hood, but I'm not going to do it. No way, Jose. Let me show you a little bit of a summary where we're at. I already did a detailed. I'll do one at the end of the night, but this is basically what it looks like. You see, when the app looks like this, where you're not getting a lot. Here, let's go to today. Like, if you look over here, like $16, right? $18, $24, not only $24, but for 33 miles, right? $16, $17, $17, $11. This basically means it's slow, and the app is slow. Slow season is here, right? And I'll give you another example. If I go over here into the summary, I'll show you when it looks like when it's busy, when it's fast. Let's go over here. Let's look at Monday. Now notice the difference. This is on a busy day when Monday is good. Look at the difference in price. Is this Monday? This is Tuesday. No, let's go to Monday right here. Look at this. Notice the difference? On a busy Monday, you're making double. 30, 30, 41, 27, 33, 48, 51, 32. That's how you know if it's busy or if it's slow. Okay, you might be saying, well, that's January 1st. That doesn't count. You're absolutely right. Let's go over here and look at another Monday. We're going to go back. We're going to go back. Let's go one more week back. Okay, here's another Monday. This is December 25th. It probably doesn't count again, right? Because no, December 25th counts, because even though it's Christmas Day, sometimes, oh my God, maybe that doesn't count. But it shows you how busy it is, right? Let me go over here and just show you, just for the sake of it. Look, on Christmas Day, okay, fine. We got a little bit lucky, right? We got this Prop 22, $77. I still don't understand how I got that. But look, 36, 39, 12, 18, 37. Like, you hit $40, you hit $56, you hit $37, right? This is basically how I know when it's slow and busy. I'll go one more day for you. Let's go back a couple more weeks. We did this one. We did Christmas. Let's go one more week behind. Because Mondays are generally good for me, right? Let's look at this Monday right here. 136. Look at this. Okay, this is a good one. Active 4.5 hours, but 13 online. So it was slow. So let's look at the numbers over here. Here you go. Oh, I started a little bit late. I'm not sure why I started a little bit late. But look, 22, right? 16. We got lucky with 1 or 2 rides. And then by nighttime, I'm like, deuces, I'm out of here. Let me show you one more while we're at it. Wait. Let me show you one more while we're at it. Okay, last Monday I'm going to show you. What does this show? 280. See, Mondays are generally good. I know my Mondays. I've driven enough to know Mondays are generally good. Because, you know, it's still a busy day. Let's look at it. How did I get 280 on this day? Did I get lucky? Here you go. So look at that. 31, 18, okay, 15. These are slow ones, right? These are slow ones. But look, this is good. This is good. This is good. This is good. This is slow, right? My point being what? Oh, these guys walking around with a jukebox outside. Let's go to today now. We're gonna go to today, and I'll show you one more time. Oi. Let's go to today. Today, come on, show me the slow day. Now we're back to the slow day, right here. Right? Let's look at it again. Look, already active 5.5 hours. Online for 9 hours. 8 trips. And in these 8 trips, if you look over here, there's hardly anything over $24, right? Look. Once again, this is the biggest ride I've had all day, right? But it doesn't match the mileage that it's giving me. Look. Slow, 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 low, 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 all low. This is how I know it's a slow day. If I made 150, I'm good. If I can get to 200, it will be nice. But I'm not going to push it. All right, what are we going to give you guys next? I think that was a good little breakdown. How I know when it's busy, how I know when it's slow. Now, we're going to go to LAX. Is it set up to go to LAX? Yeah. I will let you know if anything pops up. And notice, in the last 6 minutes or 10 minutes that I've been here, not many rides have popped up. I was getting gas right now. I already got asked for money from a homeless guy. And this gas station is called VP Racing Fuels. But the gas was $4.25. So I'm updating. Basically, earlier, oh my God, what are you crying about? No way, dude. I'm not picking anybody up in the hood. Get the hell out of here. Sorry, I don't mean to be racist or whatever you guys want to call me, but I envy my life. I enjoy driving Uber, but man, dude, this is scary. I'm literally looking left, right, and unlock this freaking door, dude. There's like, yeah, this is some weird. Yeah, there's some shady people out here. Hold on, what's the money at? 11, that's 33 plus 10, $43, right? So if I put $43 of gas, I made 50, so we've only made $107. But that's okay, that's okay. You know what? It is what it is. I gotta get out of here, guys. Okay, the homeless guy's back. He's got a bicycle. He's looking at me. And right there, I read Louisiana fried chicken. Oh, it sounds so good. As we end this video, let's take a look at what's going on in the rideshare industry. I'm going to be your news for the rideshare guys. Not the rideshare guys, but for the rideshare industry. Check it out. The amazing, I don't even know his whole name yet. It's kind of hard because it doesn't show you the whole thing. Money Talk is live and someone else is doing a premiere. Then you have Pay Us Drivers. Okay, I like this guy. This kid I'm trying to help out. I'm trying to get in touch with him. He responded to my comment, so I'm gonna be in touch with him. Who else has done an update? Well, you guys already know this is me. Anytime you see this is me. I think I release more content than all rideshare companies combined. Oh no, I think this guy releases a lot of videos right here. He does a lot of videos. Here's another one from me. Rideshare Professor, from him, me. Okay, us two release a lot of stuff. There's me. Chicago Rideshare, okay. Yeah, basically, there's a few of us that are pumping hard in the rideshare industry trying to move up. But I don't think anyone competes with what I'm pushing out right now. I'm not trying to brag or nothing. Okay, this is from yesterday. Let's see. We're going to count between me and Amazing. Oh, I want to know his actual name. What's his name? Amazing what?
Hey, what's going on?
Amazing Hustler. Okay. Let's go. Between me and Amazing Hustler, I want to see who pushes out more content. Okay. This is from yesterday, so it doesn't count. We're going to start from 15 hours ago. Okay, that's his first video, 15 hours ago. He's got 1. I've got 1. We're even. I've got 2. He's got 1. I've got 3. I've got 4. I've got 5. I've got 6. He's got 2. 7. Oh man, there's freaking homeless people coming. I gotta get out of here. Freaking crackheads. Sorry guys. Like they keep coming up, man. I'm trying to record my YouTube video, and you can see it in the face, right? It's got drugs. He's got snot hanging out, man, and he's like all swollen, and he's asking me for money, and I'm like I already said no to one guy. What do you think? I think that's what it is, because I'm not like, okay, We're gonna check who releases more videos in a little bit. I'm not trying to say, I'm not trying to be mean, but I think they know. Get out of here. I think these people know that I don't belong here. And I'm like a magnet, so it's almost like yo, let's get money from this guy. Because everybody else kind of looks like they belong here, right? And I'm like the only guy that's kind of weird, that's working on his YouTube channel. He's like, wait a minute, this fool hasn't left yet. Let's go. All right, I'm gonna stop this video. But I was trying to figure out what's going on. I'll upload another video. I have to get out of the hood. I'm on Main Street and Imperial Highway, and I'm literally looking left, right. I'm fighting for my life out here, guys. I'm fighting for my life out here.